Good morning. Today is Wednesday. Time is 10:55 a.m. Date is 2021. This video is regarding the pound USD that we have announced yesterday. Everything has been documented on our Telegram group. If you go to this Telegram group, you can see that what we have said, and we put our entry point, taking profit, and second taking profit, and a stop loss. I'm not going to repeat what I have said. Everything has been explained here. I'm going to the chart. We are here at the moment, and we are waiting for the Tokyo opening section, because when Tokyo open around 11 o'clock, market would have a huge movement. Early morning today, 9 o'clock, when Sydney opened, there wasn't any big movement, and there is some reason. I have no idea. As you can see, every candlestick, it takes 15 minutes to mature, and there is some announcement, and those big guys, the market maker, are waiting for that announcement, I think, and that's why there is no volume. So hopefully around 11 o'clock, in 4 minutes time, when market open, we're gonna have huge movement, but we actually move a stop loss from the top to the under entry point for a couple of reasons. First of all, when early morning, when I wake up in the morning and I saw the market is close to the finishing date, the New York was finishing. When New York is finished again, and when you are close to your target for the profit, you better move your stop loss under your entry point, in case market goes back up, and take your stop loss because of too much volume. Then you are not going to lose too much. You are actually more than break even, so you're making money. Now we are actually playing with the market money. We don't play with our money. So if imagine if the market goes up to here, this is our not loss, this is the profit actually. This area is our profit. So we are waiting to see what happens. If the market hit our first target, we're going to get out of this trade forever, and we're not going to continue for the second or third. This is just for the showing you guys where market would heading, hopefully today, sometimes today. But as I have said to you before, all this small candlestick telling us something, that there is something going on, is storm coming. So these are the quiet time for some reason, and we have to see what's going to happen on about 2 minutes when Tokyo open. So I'm not going to pause the video. I'm just going to wait for another 3, 4, 5 minutes. Hopefully if this trade comes and take our taking profit, and then we close it, and then I going to explain to you for this next video what happened there, or about this trading. So we watch the video together. We watch this trade, sorry, not the video. We are watching the trade. Ya Allah. I know it's going to be very boring just to see what's going on. I'll probably pause the video and come back to you. Tokyo market open now. Time is 11 o'clock. Yeah. So we will see what's going to happen now. Hopefully there is going to be big movement towards our target. Hopefully. But I'm not worried. If it goes up and take the stop loss, it still is okay, because we don't lose. So we will see. At the moment we are on the 33 pip profit. Some trader, they have this set that they make 20 pip a day and then they go out, but they put a big lot. So those people, they have big money, so they can do this 20 pip a day every trade they make. So they make a couple of hundred. when London opened, is a big movement. In Asia and Japan, it's a small movement, but sometimes it's big too anyway. But definitely for London is the biggest one movement when market open, and also New York. New York is about 11 o'clock night time in Sydney time, and around 5:30 in the afternoon is London open for Sydney, and 11 o'clock AM is Tokyo. So we will see what's going to happen. So we put the seatbelt on. The Speedy Gonzalez candlestick is going to move very fast, hopefully towards our target. So put the seatbelt on when you're driving. For the safety, we have our stop loss here, which is our seatbelt. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. I better pause the video because it looks like something going on. All these candlestick, small candlestick, there is something. I mean, probably they are waiting for some news or something. Because normally 11 o'clock the market would huge move. Let me count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. You see this one, this area, that was Tokyo Open yesterday. So movement is too big. Anyway, we will see. I paused the video because I don't want to take your time, guys, and when it moves fast I come back again. It looks like that movement is start. As you can see now, the volume pumping to the market, so we will see what's going to happen soon. If market goes above here, because market is breathing, I have said this many times, market go up, breathe, dive back again, go up, breathe, dive back again. So in this the situation is no big volume going on, it's very flat for some reason. We will see. Pause the video, come back again. The worst thing in trading is this. Ever since this morning about 9 o'clock I'm watching this trade. When you're watching too much, you become hypnotized and you keep talking to yourself and you start analyzing again and again and again, and you make wrong decision. So if you have your stop loss, if you have your taking profit, you have to go away. Either you're going to take the profit or you're going to lose. At this time we're not going to lose, we are win-win, because either way we're going to win. If we hit here we're going to have more pip, if we're going to hit here because we are under entry, so we are still winner. The reason normally when I'm trading and I'm not recording, when I see a small candlestick, nothing happening, no volume, this is the storm coming through. You have to wait for the big action, and then market rally down or rally up. So it's dangerous. So in this area, you should take it, whatever you give you, go out, because if you become greedy, you might lose a lot. Why I'm not closing it, this trade? Because I'm making this video for you guys to show you that where is the level and our system, pilot fish working, blah 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 blah, that I have explained in 17-18 video that I already make for you guys. If I'm in normal day after trading, when I see all these small candlestick on decision market, so I would close it, take 35 pip, go and look for another trade or another pair, or look for the coins or index or whatever. So I pause the video and then I will come back to you guys again, because I was thinking actually to close the trade like what I always do, but I said, no. The reason I come back to you, I was just telling you about the hypnotizing, don't watch the chart too much. You have a stop loss, you have your taking profit. Go away, do something, go out of the house, go out of your desk, do something else, and then see what's going to happen. If you believe in your system, it works, so it works. But sometimes every system is not 100%. Every system, works, depends of the ratio. But if you believe in your system, so you put your stop loss, you put your taking profit, and just do something else, or go find another trade. Don't watch too much. When you're watching too much the chart, then you lose your mind and then you make wrong decision. So we pause the video, I come back to you again. This video is taking long, which I hated. I don't want long video for you guys, because you don't have time to sit down and watch to my ugly voice and horrible voice. And so anyway, we will see. I pause the video. Now time in Sydney is 2:45. In a matter of 2 hours, Tokyo would close, and 1 hour Sydney close, and then London would open. In London, in the opening is very huge movement. So still I'm recording, and I don't know if I can actually upload it. I pause and come back to you. As you can see in the Forex Factory at 5 p.m. today, there is a red news for pound. So before 5 o'clock we have to get out any trade we have, because this red news CPI announced, the market move either way, up or down. So you never leave your trade on when there is a red news, or never enter to the market when there is a red news. Be careful. So 5 p.m. Sydney time this afternoon, about 2 hours, we have a red news for the pound. So most probably I have to close that trade that we have, because the trade we are actually looking at now is pound USD. I don't know, maybe all this no volume is because of this red news which coming, and all the big guys are waiting for that red news. I don't know. Normally market moves very fast, when we have a level, a matter of 2 or 3 candlestick, huge come down. If you remember, when was that? Yesterday, for the CHF, was it for CHF that we made it? Yeah, I think that was CHF. We had a level. Yeah, it was. Yes, that's the level. If you remember, yesterday we were talking about when market went there, the selling zone, no matter of 1, 2, 3 candlestick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candlestick got to the level, and we get out here, we came here, and then we had a chance to buy, which we bought. And this area, I was saying that market would eventually rise going to this level which we have it. It went down, still now it's going to go to that level, hopefully. I said to you yesterday, around tomorrow, today, this is going to happen. This level has to take it. So what I was saying is this: when we have a level of selling, normally quickly, it would hit. But today for the pound USD, as you can see, so many candlesticks trying to come to this area. So it's something going on. That's the red news in 5 o'clock Sydney time. And so that's why people with the big money are holding on the trade for the pound pair. So after 5 o'clock they start put the volume in. So now is about time in Sydney 2:52. So 3 o'clock, 2 hours time. Before 5 o'clock we have to get out this trade. So I don't know, maybe if I get to range of 20 pip, 25 pip, I close it. I close the trade. We will see. I put a stop loss here, so either way, we break even or make some money. Okay. I pause the video again. Sorry, it takes long time. But now, because it gets too long. I close the video now. I close the trade in the name of who, because we have red news. So with 25 pip we closed the, and hopefully market will go down to take our level. We have to see. I will make another video for you guys. Please look after yourself and your family, as always I say. In the name of who, I finish this video and this trade. We will see you again another time with another live trade. Before you go, please read this risk disclaimer. We are only here to pass our experience to you guys. We are not a signal company. We are not responsible for your loss or gain if you do the trade. Please do not copy us. If you like to copy us, do it on the demo account, and make sure that you have enough money when you do this on your real account, but do not copy anyone, because if you copy you might lose money. First you have to learn the skill. Please read this disclaimer before I close this video, and I hope everything is going to be on your favor in your life. Now time, I'm going to finish it. We'll let you know again if we have any announcement for any pair, and I hope you have a wonderful evening, day, night, wherever you are in the world. In the name of who? In the name of God, I am going to finish this video. Please look after yourself and your family. God bless you all. Thank you.